失望，失望，失望。
Disappointment.
Disappointment.
今年春节前公司没有发奖金，工人们很失望。今年春节前公司没有发奖金，工人们很失望。今年春节前公司没有发奖金，工人们很失望。
The company did not pay bonuses before the Spring Festival this year, and the workers were disappointed.
The company did not pay bonuses before the Spring Festival this year, and the workers were disappointed.
这种自私的行为让人感到失望。这种自私的行为让人感到失望。这种自私的行为让人感到失望。
This selfish behavior is disappointing.
This selfish behavior is disappointing.
我经常因缺乏他人的支持而感到失望。我经常因缺乏他人的支持而感到失望。我经常因缺乏他人的支持而感到失望。
I was often disappointed by the lack of support from others.
I was often disappointed by the lack of support from others.
郊区，郊区，郊区。
Suburb. Outskirt.
Suburb. Outskirt.
星期六我们一起去郊区玩。星期六我们一起去郊区玩。星期六我们一起去郊区玩。
On Saturday we went to the suburbs together.
On Saturday we went to the suburbs together.
我喜欢住在郊区，因为空气清新。我喜欢住在郊区，因为空气清新。我喜欢住在郊区，因为空气清新。
I like living in the suburbs because the air is fresh.
I like living in the suburbs because the air is fresh.
居住在郊区虽然环境优美，但是交通不太方便。居住在郊区虽然环境优美，但是交通不太方便。居住在郊区虽然环境优美，但是交通不太方便。
Although living in the suburbs has a beautiful environment, the transportation is not very convenient.
Although living in the suburbs has a beautiful environment, the transportation is not very convenient.
到底，到底，到底。
Used in the question for emphasis. In the end.
Used in the question for emphasis. In the end.
你要弄清楚自己到底想要什么。你要弄清楚自己到底想要什么。你要弄清楚自己到底想要什么。
Do you need to figure out what you really want?
Do you need to figure out what you really want?
到底发生了什么？到底发生了什么？到底发生了什么？
What happened?
What happened?
到底是怎么回事？到底是怎么回事？到底是怎么回事？
What is going on?
What is going on?
呀，呀，呀。
Used at the end of a question to soften the tone.
Used at the end of a question to soften the tone.
你到底是怎么想的呀？你到底是怎么想的呀？你到底是怎么想的呀？
What do you think?
What do you think?
你受伤了呀？你受伤了呀？你受伤了呀？
You are injured.
You are injured.
你也是上海人呀？ 你也是上海人呀。你也是上海人呀。
You are from Shanghai too.
You are from Shanghai too.
导游，导游，导游。
Tour guide.
Tour guide.
导游带大家去参观北京故宫博物馆。导游带大家去参观北京故宫博物馆。导游带大家去参观北京故宫博物馆。
The tour guide takes everyone to visit the Palace Museum in Beijing.
The tour guide takes everyone to visit the Palace Museum in Beijing.
导游给大家讲解得很详细。导游给大家讲解得很详细。导游给大家讲解得很详细。
The tour guide explained it to everyone in detail.
The tour guide explained it to everyone in detail.
导游热情又友善，大家都很喜欢他。导游热情又友善，大家都很喜欢他。导游热情又友善，大家都很喜欢他。
The tour guide is enthusiastic and friendly, and everyone likes him very much.
The tour guide is enthusiastic and friendly, and everyone likes him very much.
礼貌，礼貌，礼貌。
Politeness.
Politeness.
我们要用有礼貌的方法拒绝别人。我们要用有礼貌的方法拒绝别人。我们要用有礼貌的方法拒绝别人。
We should reject others politely.
We should reject others politely.
他有礼貌又有能力，给人留下了好印象。他有礼貌又有能力，给人留下了好印象。他有礼貌又有能力，给人留下了好印象。
He was polite and capable and left a good impression.
He was polite and capable and left a good impression.
在客人面前要有礼貌。在客人面前要有礼貌。在客人面前要有礼貌。
Be polite in front of guests.
Be polite in front of guests.
原谅，原谅，原谅。
Forgive.
Forgive.
原谅是一种美德。原谅是一种美德。原谅是一种美德。
Forgiveness is a virtue.
Forgiveness is a virtue.
我们要学会原谅别人。我们要学会原谅别人。我们要学会原谅别人。
We must learn to forgive others.
We must learn to forgive others.
他终于得到了大家的原谅。他终于得到了大家的原谅。他终于得到了大家的原谅。
He was finally forgiven by everyone.
He was finally forgiven by everyone.
谢谢观看。